Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create desktop shortcut for Store app in Windows 11. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type Shell Kalan Apps folder, click OK. Right-click any app, click Create Shortcut. Click Yes to continue. Right-click any app, click Create Shortcut. Click Yes to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.